Hello, dear student. My name is Mr. Samson. So I have invested this program so that students can gain more about sciences. So my concentration, I concern on things like human body or plants, plant cells, and many other things. But I'm concerned generally on living organisms. So I've brought this so that you can gain more information about living organisms, and if you are a student you can make it in your examination so that you can go ahead in your study of science. So today we are learn about human digestive system. Many of you or most of you have heard this human digestive system, and it consists of many parts of the human digestive system. That is starting from mouth up to the end of anus. So look at the picture and try to give a name and definition so that you can make it in your examination. Have a look of this picture and then I can define to you. For mouth, so it means that the digestion starts from mouth and then pass through esophagus, then the stomach, duodenum, large intestine, small intestine, that is the ileum, and large intestine, that is the colon, and then ends to the anus. So as we start our program, we have such food stuff, that is, we start our in experiment so that we can understand very better. So we put our food on mouth like that, then we chew it. Okay, we swallow it, it flows in the esophagus, then in the stomach. After 3 or 4 hours, it will be in the duodenum, and then small intestine, and then colon, and finally it is removed into waste materials. So at our mouth we find the digestion of starch. So mouth digests starch. In esophagus there's no digestion, and in the stomach we have something which digests proteins, then passes through duodenum, then goes into small intestine. At this small intestine we have something called villi, and these villi track some of food into the body parts. So such villi are very small but are very active in catching food that are entered into the small intestine. So then the waste materials which are not absorbed or do whatever, they're stored into colon. And then we find that those waste materials are removed and become wastage. And there is those food which cannot be digested. So these are materials which are kept into the appendix, which we've shown in the picture that have come before. So appendix, we have materials which are undigestible. So class, we will learn more about these things, but these are partly of things we have learned today. So if you are enjoyed, that's better. Do more research. You can get more about these things. So I appreciate your concentration, and let's meet to the next lesson, that is, can define